Hi, Nathan here, and I'm here to show you a cool trick I've come up with. Okay, I like to play old games like on my PlayStation 2, and some games I get the cases have disgusting dirt marks and peeled stickers on it. But what if you could make those game cases new again by getting one of these? I ordered these online and I already replaced some of my old game cases with the new ones. For example, let's try this Ratatouille game here. See how it has bad stickers on them and it looks all dirty and yucky? Well, now that I have this, I can change it. Okay, first you take this out of the old game, then you take the new one and you put this game thing, the cover, in there. And don't forget the disc. The disc is very important. So I put the disc that's new in here. Also the instruction book. So if you ever want to trade your games for older ones that you like trade your old ones for new ones, you can make the case look brand new and smooth and not so dirty and full of stickers. So if you have a PlayStation 2, GameCube, or original Xbox, you could try that. And I'm sure it works on new game consoles as well. If you buy a used game that is dirty and sticky, you can find replacement ones online and put them in. See how cool that's done? So if you have old games, give it a try. Well, try ordering some online first, and then you can try. See ya.